Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to get flash sale on Shein app. Before we start our video, do hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Shein application. Shein app is a platform that allows you to shop with different fashionable items. Here, if you see, then in the Shein app, you'll get the flash sale option right on the home page. The flash sale option is located a little down. You'll have to scroll on the category flash sale. You can see it on the home page. And flash sale usually lasts up to 24 hours or the time limit that has been set. And from the flash sale, you can choose the items that you prefer and you can tap on them and add to your cart, or you can buy them if you prefer. You'll get about certain amount of discount, and the discount percent is written or listed right here. And here, as you can see, in this product the discount is about 20%, and it ends in 18 hours 34 minutes. You can see the time limit and the discount amount right here, and this is how you usually get flash sale on Shein application. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If you found our video helpful, do hit the like button. Have a good day.